up to snow on the ground. Snow on the ground. And it's beautiful. It's put me in the mood for Christmas, so I might start decorating some today. And I thought I'd bring you guys along. Before I start decorating, I want to show you guys my shirt. This is Claus Bakery. I got it on Jane.com last year around this time. I don't know if they have, I've not seen this exact one yet, but they have a ton of cute graphic t-shirts for Thanksgiving and Christmas. They even have Disney themed ones for holidays and just Disney trips. So check out Jane.com, and they're usually priced reasonably well. Sometimes cheaper than for me to buy the vinyl and make something similar myself on my Cricut. So you should go check it out. Alright, Leo, open it up. Is that our tree?
Christmas every day. Okay, edit, done.
started, okay, good. I started with the wrong color on my tree. I was looking at the color sticker above each row, and I'm supposed to be looking below. So I had to start completely over, but it's okay.
Why you put Band-Aids on?
Because I cut my finger on the tree. I have a very good, easy experience, but it's Christmas, and decorating is hard work. If you don't decorate your house, or your spouse decorates it for you, or somebody else in your family decorates, thank them. Be grateful, because it's gorgeous and it's beautiful, but it is a lot of hard work. It's totally worth it in the end, but it's a lot of hard work. So all you out there decorating your house, good job. Good job for working so hard and making Christmas special for you and your family. But I'm going to start over, and lights and all. This tree is not pre-lit, so I am doing the lights as I go. I put one layer of the branches on and wrap each one in lights, and then do the next row and wrap that in lights. It's just easier to wrap it as I add them instead of putting it all together and then having to wrap an entire tree. It's way too tall for me to do. Once I get to the top, my husband will have to do that part anyway, but this just makes it super easy. And I am going back and forth. I done the first row white lights, the second colored, and then the third white, and I'll keep doing that. So the next row will be colored and the next white, and I'm just going to keep alternating, because this is our traditional tree. This is the tree that I will put all of our homemade, our family ornaments that we've collected over the years. It's not themed, like it doesn't have a color scheme. It's just our special ornaments, and it's actually my favorite tree because of all the memories and everything that go with each ornament that go on it. So on this one, I love colored lights. Our other trees that are upstairs usually are white lights because it goes with the decor, but down here, I just like it colorful and exciting, especially for the babies, because this is where they spend a lot of time, so yeah. And then that's the mess behind me. I gotta get all that together, but it'll happen. I'll get it done. Are you helping? Are you helping? Yeah, are you helping? You're doing so good. Yeah, you are. You're doing so good. Yeah. Braids in the mail today. I am so excited. I got one for me and one for my mom. Here's mine. I think it looks so good. It matches my hair so good. My hair has a red tint to it.
Wait, Mama.
Okay, I'm coming. My hair has a red tint to it, so it's hard to find stuff like this to match my hair. But this is perfect. I love it so much. I'm so excited. But you can resize it. It has a thing right here so you can make it tighter or looser. And then it has a clasp here to where you wouldn't have to like put it all the way over your head and slide it up on. You could undo it and put it over. So it's really, really nice. It's really soft. It's good quality. I really like it. I'm really pleased with this purchase. my tree completely done. I ran out of colored lights. Taylor's wanting the camera. So I have to go get some to finish. But I am going to be uploading a Decorate With Me video, so stay tuned. That should be coming out next week. A complete Christmas decor 2019 Decorate With Me, my entire house. So I'm excited to do that. And as you saw, I just got done cleaning up the kitchen because we just filmed a Cook With Us. And it was me and my husband, and Leo helped. Taylor kind of ran around in the background. But we fixed 2 of our favorite recipes tonight, and then I've got a couple more that's going to be on that same video, the Cook With Us video. That will be out next week as well, so stay tuned for that. If you haven't, please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell button so that you get notified every time I upload, because you're not going to want to miss these recipes. They're awesome for Thanksgiving and Christmas. Any family get together, we love them. Hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with us today, and we will see you next time. Bye! Say bye!